mean, it says practice test 2 answers, so I don't know.
Okay. So yes, I have made up the exam. It just needs to be printed. So.
Is there a bonus?
Yeah, there's bonus. Bonus should never be easy.
Is it gonna be different people? Do I need to go like study all kind of sciencey things?
Or you could just study the test material and try to get the regular points.
I would probably be better off on number 2. Can you please work 10?
Number 10? What's number 10?
Here you go.
It's like a chart.
I had to go run and check on my dog, so I haven't had time to do much anything. Okay. Oh, we did this last time. Okay. So we're given a chart full of information, and we're asked to find delta G naught of the reaction. Which number is this? 10. So this is the reaction, so SO2. So as you can tell, this is my real handwriting. Which was funny, whenever I turned in assignments without my name on it, they swore it was a girl.
I was gonna say that, but I ain't want to.
We were all thinking of this.
That's fine.
Let's do that. At least you can read it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to find delta G of the reaction at 600 Kelvin. So if you notice, the chart has all the information for what?
I don't know.
It's 298. So there's an example that we worked where we used that chart to get information for another temperature, right? And so what equation did we use? Remember? It was delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. And delta H and delta S are calculated using the chart. Right? Because we can't pull delta G's and do the whole thing with delta G, right? Because delta G is just getting you 298. So that means for delta S, we have to, of the reaction, we have to do the whole products minus reactants thing. And same for delta H, right? So y'all do know what the quotations mean?
Yes.
Okay, good.
What is it?
The same as the line before it.
Quotes.
Yeah. so delta S we look at that. So our product, good thing everything's 1 to 1. So the product is what? 248.2 joules per mole Kelvin. Minus, and our reactants, wait, did I have that right? No, it's 311.9. Then our reactants is 248.2 joules per mole Kelvin plus 223. I don't know what number you get for that. What was that?
Negative 159.3.
Negative 159.3 joules per mole Kelvin. Okay, so we do the same thing for delta H. So delta H, the first one is negative 364.0 kilojoules per mole. Minus negative 296.8 kilojoules per mole plus 0 kilojoules per mole.
Why is it plus 0?
It's in the chart.
It's what?
It's in the chart. 0.
Oh, didn't know.
Plus it's Cl2, so that's an element in its natural state.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what do we get for that?
Negative 49.2.
49.2 kilojoules per mole.
I got
67.2.
67.2.
negative 15.2.
Okay. Now, hopefully, we already see a problem. We have to convert, right? I have two different units, right? So I have to convert this to, which is point, so this would be negative 0.1593 kilojoules per mole Kelvin. Okay. So now all I have to do, put it all together in that equation. So negative 67.2 kilojoules per mole minus our temperature, which is 600 Kelvin, times minus 0.1593 kilojoules per mole Kelvin. I think you get something that's positive, like 28.4. Yeah. Okay. Any questions? Yes.
Oh,
Not on this one, though.
Oh. Okay. Well, any questions on this one? Well, okay.
On number 18, I think I know the reason why it's C, but I was wondering if you could walk through why the other one's kind of the best.
Whose was this?
Mine.
Yeah.
Right here.
Right. So it says, for the following reaction in equilibrium, which choice gives a change that will shift the position of equilibrium to favor formation of more products? So the reaction is 2NOBr. Should be a gas. Two NO We're told that we have a delta H of the reaction